Hi, my name's Stephen. I was having issues with both shoulders, probably just from overuse and an injury I had. I had torn rotator cuff and evidently was in both shoulders. Uh, I didn't want to do any surgery, and I ran across the commercial for the stem cell therapy. And I followed it up on the internet and saw all the different testimonials, and then I attended the seminar. And through that, I got an appointment, and I eventually had this done 3 weeks ago today. And my shoulders both were bothering me, just ached all the time. And they're not aching now, and I can see some improvement. I'm hoping for a lot more. I would recommend this to anybody who's having any joint problems or shoulder problems.
Wonderful. Thank you, Stephen. And just to go back, how did you feel when you were having the procedure done? What did you feel when you actually had the stem cell taken out and then re-injected?
It was an easy procedure. I don't have any sensation below my waist because I'm a paraplegic, but it was an easy procedure, and it was no problem even having it injected into my shoulders. There's no pain virtually at all.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Stephen, for sharing your story, and we wish you much success and all the best for the future.
Thank you.